Sometimes the story is not going where we want it to go. There are also times when we're not sure what the next part should be. This next feature should be used for when you are stuck or you want to brainstorm. I filled in a few paragraphs, but the story seems to be lagging, so I'm going to add a new paragraph just after the third paragraph from the top. Now I'm given a blank prompt. I can fill this in myself, or I can ask the software to suggest something. There are a lot of options here, but the one I use most is the sentence. This will suggest several next prompt sentences to steer the story in different directions. If none of the sentences catch your eye, press cancel and try again. Let's go with the mysterious stranger option. Well, that's added some excitement. Also, if a prompt doesn't fit, you can delete the paragraph or replace the prompt with either your own text or a suggestion. But remember, it's your story to tell. The software is only here to guide you. Always use your judgment and your preferences when it comes to the story flow.